Hey guys, Crypto Dad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tangem Pay card to make purchases wherever Visa is accepted. I've had so many questions over the years from people that ask me how to cash out their crypto, or how to spend their crypto, or how to send their crypto to their bank. Everybody wants to know how to realize the value of crypto in the real world. And the Tangem Pay card is one of the easiest and most convenient ways to do this. So I'm going to walk you through step by step so that you can learn how to spend your crypto in the real world using your Tangem app and the Tangem Pay card. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is get set up with the card, and you can do this if you've got the latest version of the Tangem app. All you have to do is log in, and there'll be a Get Card button, which will take you over to this page here, and you'll just click this button. And once you do that, it's going to walk you through the KYC portion, where you're going to have to tell it where you are. And then you'll have to do a verification of your identity, taking a selfie and uploading an ID document, because this is real banking, right? You're going to be able to use this card to spend anywhere they accept Visa. So you will have to go through all that in order to use this card. And then you'll fill in your profile details here. And then it's going to tell you that the card is in process, and then eventually it will show you this icon here that says payment account, that it's issuing your card, and then the last step, you'll see the payment account along with the last four digits of your number. All right, and I already did that a while back and forgot to record it, so I just kind of wanted to walk you through that. But here's the important stuff. All right, you can see my Tangem card is activated and it's in the app. And so just tap it and you can explore a little bit. It is a virtual card. They're not going to send you a physical card. I thought I was waiting for mine. It turns out it's always going to be virtual. It'll be used from within your phone. So I'm going to add card to Apple Pay. So if you need all the information from the card, you'll hit Show Details. Right, and it'll give you everything that you need from the card. So the first thing I'll do is I'll copy the number into my clipboard. We'll go to Apple Wallet. I want to add a new card. We'll tap debit or credit card, and then choose to enter the details manually. Okay, I'll paste in the number. All right, and then I need the expiration date and the 3-digit. There we go. Now you can see why you had to give it all your personal information, because Apple Pay will only allow me to add a card that I own, right? So there was no choice for someone else's name. It had to be me. Okay, and I could add it to other devices. I'm not going to do that. All right, it wants me to verify this through text. I can do that. We'll hit continue. It's going to send me a text. And I could set it as default or not. We'll just hit not now. And there we go. Now I've got my Tangem card in my Apple Wallet, and I can simply tap to pay when I go to stores. So once you've got everything set up, it's not a huge effort to just swap money onto the card. So you can swap in your wallet to get Polygon-based US dollar coin, but you can also swap directly into your payment wallet from other cryptocurrencies. So let's see how that would work. So we'll go into the payment account. We'll choose add funds, and we're going to do swap. And I have some Solana in my wallet. So I'm going to switch from Tether over to Solana. And it's just going to swap directly in to the payment account as US dollar coin. So Let's just do 1 Solana. That's about $80. And the network fee is really low on Solana. I'm only going to spend 2 cents worth of Solana to do this particular swap. So this is pretty good. We're going to hit swap. All right, it does Face ID, and then hold the card up to the back to authorize the transaction. And it's done. It's really easy to do it that way. So now let's just do a refresh, and now we can see our Tangem Pay balance has gone up by that amount. All right, so that's the payment card. Pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You can either transfer US dollar coin in Polygon format, or just swap from any other crypto that you have in your card directly into the payment card account. That's pretty nifty. And then once you've added it to your Apple Pay, you can use it as a tap to pay with any merchant that accepts Visa. So if you have any questions about anything I said, please throw them up in the comments, and I'll do my very best to get them answered.